Up there, Ephie. What is that, Ephie and Nessah?
It's a surprise egg.
It's a surprise egg. Yay! Oh, show me the surprise egg. Show me what surprise egg is that?
It's boy. It's a boy.
Oh, it's a Wonder Kids. Oh, you open the surprise egg. What's inside the surprise egg?
Can you help me, Mommy? Can you help me, Mommy? Can you open the surprise egg? And open. Can you please? Can you?
How far can we get if we sail a little bit high?
Yeah, but it's giraffe. Gorilla is also right. And what is this? This one. What happened? Go on. Faster. What is this, Nessah? This one? How about this one, Nessah? What is this? L. This one is M. This one is N. What's this? Q. Nessah is just almost 2 years old. This, Nessah. She can't say this word. This letter. Oh no! You can't say it now. W. Very good, Nessah.
Let's open it.
Okay,
Let's
let's
see.
open the surprise again. Let's see.
What's inside?
We're going to open the surprise egg.
We have the scissors. We have to cut the scissors and the surprise egg. This one will open it.
No cutting scissors. You just have to open this. This is so hard. Yeah, later, Nessah, you come here.
Thank you.
Are you showing them your surprise egg? Oh,
Wow.
there!
Oh, it's open!
It's open! The surprise egg is open.
Let's get this. Oh, wow! Look
Nessah.
at this.
What's that? What's inside?
Oh,
Oh, Nessah, this is not yours. This is Kuwait. Oh, what's inside? Wait, we are going to show them. This is what's inside Ephie's surprise egg. It's not. Here's your surprise egg, Nessah. We are going to open the surprise egg. Yes. Oh, here. Ephie!
Yes.
They don't see you. Come here.
I'm eating.
What are you eating?
I'm eating.
It's so heavy. It's so hard to open this. There you go. The surprise. Nessa surprise egg is now open.
It's so yummy.
Yeah.
So
Here.
tasty. Oh, no, it's
This is your. Oh, here is. Nessa, here.
Look. And not look.
Oh, what's inside? This is Nessa's surprise egg.
What? Get
What do you have here, Nessa? What's this?
What?
Oh, it's a bicycle. Look at that.
Bicycle? Yay!
It's a bicycle.
The bicycle. We have to fly it.
How about you? What's inside your...
It has a supply toy right here.
Yeah, we are going to build Nessa's. So,
Motorcycle?
no, it's not a motorcycle. It's a bicycle.
We have to build Nessah's bicycle. See, you can do have the bicycle. You have to build bicycle. Yum. Oh, it's not moving.
Nessa, you eat na your... Nessa, eat your chocolate.
I want to eat the chocolate. Chocolate?
I
I
don't
can
know.
eat a chocolate.
I don't know if I'm doing it right. Oh, it's like that. I don't know how to build this. I'm trying my best. Oh, it's like that.
What's inside of it?
You have to slide it here.
Yeah, I'll eat it.
Yeah, you eat it all?
Yes. Look at this.
Okay, you finish?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, here's your surprise eggie. Nessah.
Yeah.
Oh, no, 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 no.
It's my turn.
Nessah, where is yours?
Not
It's
you.
Not.
Yeah. Look, I eat it.
Okay, you finish na.
Where's my surprise egg? Where's my bike? Oh, there.
You show it to them.
Savannah! Where is it? Oh, it's that. Help me.
Wait.
Oh, it's a bicycle. It's my bicycle. I said it's my bicycle.
Yeah, I know. This is not yours. This is Nessa's bicycle.
Okay, look. What's this?
Oh my God, our ring light is...
What's
Oh.
that? What's that? I will help you. I will help you just do it.
Come here. Stay here. Show them.
I will. First, I will be able to show.
Oh, here's yours. Oh, it's also a bicycle, but it is color blue. It's the same bicycle. It's color blue. Oh, give me Nessa's bicycle.
Bye.